Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. Today we'll be doing a braided wig, lace wig install, and it's been a long time since I have done one of these. And today's wig is provided by Neatandsleek. Now when I tell you guys this is the best braided wig ever, like this is literally the best braided wig ever. She made me a custom ombre braided wig. The knots were already bleached, the lace is fantastic, and she braided this wig to perfection. Do y'all see that scalp? I didn't even put the wig on yet, and it's just so perfect. And I just knew that when I installed this wig it was going to be laid. I love the way she constructed it. She constructed it on a lace front wig, and she bleached the knots as I mentioned, and she also added a little scrap in the inside, so you can wear this wig glueless or you can wear it with glue. But of course today I'm going to install my wigs with my Beautiful Hustler lace matte adhesive. So I'm just going ahead and putting that wig on and showing you guys what it looks like already. I love the size that she plaited it. It was so neat. I love the color. I love the fact that she left out the little area in the front for the baby hairs. And honestly, this wig does fit perfect on my head. So I'm so excited to actually, you know, put it on today. Now, I will only use like 2 layers of lace glue because I'm going to wear this, you know, temporarily. And so, I'm going to go ahead and start by applying my foundation and the inside of it. Now today I did not feel like doing a ball cap, just simply because I just really wanted to show you guys what this wig looks like up against the skin. It would look just as good with the stocking cap, but I was just having one of those lazy days today. But I'm going to apply the lace glue, you know, above my hairline anyway, and not directly on it. So my hairline will be fine once I actually do, you know, remove this lace wig and everything like that. But I went ahead and applied that Ruby Kisses foundation. I did use level 15, and I used the darker shade in there. And as you can see, once I put that foundation underneath, it just made this wig just really like 1000% just more like perfect. Like this wig is so freaking bomb. Like I literally had no complaint with this wig whatsoever. And I'm just going to go ahead and start off by cutting little extra flaps around the sides so I can easily apply my glue and, you know, hold that wig down once I do apply my 2 layers with no issue. And right now I'm just making sure I got that foundation all in the front and on top of that lace as well. And now I'm just going to go in first with my Beautiful Hustler lace prep, and which is a 99% alcohol, and just make sure that my hairline is clean. And I went ahead and sprayed my edges back with the holding spray just to make sure, you know, all of my edges are placed backwards. And now I'm going to go in with the 2 layers of my Beautiful Hustler lace matte adhesive. People ask what glue did I use. I only use my glue. Unless I am trying someone else's out as a promotion or something like that. But for 99% of the time, I am using my own adhesive. And I'm just going to take my little dual spreader and spread that glue out. And as I mentioned, I did apply that glue above my hairline. And now I'm just like smoothing it out in front of my hairline so my edges will not be damaged from this. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply 2 layers of this glue and then go ahead and pull my lace down into that lace glue once it has turned clear. So now that I've added that second coat and it has turned clear, I'm going to go ahead and pull my lace right into place and just adding some pressure with my fingertips to hold that lace down. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer on the heat setting. I'm going to say it again. Take my blow dryer on the heat setting, and I only and always use the heat setting, because that's another question I get frequently. What setting do I use the blow dryer on? And it is heat, and I just take that heat and blow dry that lace right on in. And just to assist me, because I am doing it by myself, I'm just grabbing 2 plaits from each side to hold it into place as I blow dry it. And then I will go ahead and go in and begin to cut off the extra lace and tack down the little pieces that is still lifting, you know, on the hairline. Now, when cutting this extra lace, I do recommend that you have a mirror in front of you. This lace is so thin and so invisible, like you really cannot see if you're cutting off most of the extra lace or not. So I had to go into the bathroom mirror a few times and see that it's so much extra lace that was still left on there that I had to cut off. But because this lace is such high quality, and it really melts into your skin and disappears, like you really have to have, like I said, a mirror in front of you to really see what you're cutting off, because you can accidentally cut a braid off, or you can accidentally leave too much lace on, not even noticing that you left that much, because it is the perfect lace. So I did have to go back in and, you know, lift up and cut some extra pieces off that I did not see, to make sure there wasn't too much lace left on, you know, the wig. And once I got that off, I just went back in and added my layer of glue and, you know, re-tacked it down. So I'm just going to do that until all the pieces have been tacked down. And the baby hair portion is still on there. I just have it pushed back right now so I can see what I'm doing. So now that everything is tacked down, I'm still just blowing that hairline on heat. And as y'all can see, when I tell y'all, honey, this lace is completely disappeared. Like, y'all don't understand how many people, when I told them that I had on a wig out in public, like, they were dead. Like, excuse my language, dead ass surprised. Like, they could not believe I literally had on a wig. Like, this is the most realistic, best braided wig, no exaggeration whatsoever. Like, I will always love to work with this company. I will always love to wear their braided wigs, and excited to do more styles for them. Like, this wig is thebomb.com. But now I went ahead and, you know, I did chop down a little baby hairs in the front. Now, I'm really mad because most of the hair stores down here are closed and I have no more mousse. I would have loved to do my baby hairs with mousse. It would have just made it so much easier and everything like that. So, guys, if my baby hairs are not the best this time, just, like, don't kill me in the comments. Like, I just try to do the best I could with what I had. And honestly, like, it was so hard. I mean, I do use the holding spray, but I also like to use that mousse to, you know, soften and wet up the hair to make it easier to swoop. So I started off doing my baby hairs in the camera, but then I had to go off camera and, you know, just make it do what it do. Simply because I didn't have all the tools that I needed really to do my baby hairs like I would have loved to. So, you know, like I said, guys, don't kill me in the comments. But overall, it just still came out so bomb. Like, nobody knew it was a wig. So that's all that matters at this point. But yeah, I did use a little holding spray in my edge brush, and I just kept swooping till I got a good look, you know, chopping it down more and more and everything like that. So yeah. So now that I have all the baby hair into place, another thing I'm going to do, and I'm just going to take the holding spray and spray it across the hairline, just blow dry on the heat setting. I did not do the melt belt method simply because this goddamn wig was so melted. I just felt like doing the melt belt would just be adding pressure to my head for no reason. So I'm just going in with the holding spray and just spraying it lightly across the hairline and just tapping that in, because I don't think it get no more melted than a scalp. Like, what's deeper than a scalp? Like, meat. Like, this wig was so bomb. Like, I cannot stop saying it because I've just, like, I am just in awe on how raw this wig was. But yeah, so I'm just going to spray a little holding spray across the hairline, and then what I'm going to do is go ahead and you know, boil me some hot water so I can re-dip the ends. The hair already, you know, the wig came dipped and everything, but I just wanted to make sure that the ends was really straight. So I did go ahead and boil me some hot water, and I'm just going to quickly dip my wig on camera, just quickly. And then I'm going to go off camera and do my makeup and just show you a few styles that you could wear with this wig. Like, this wig is so freaking bomb. So I will go off camera, come back with my face all beat and everything, and, you know, show you guys a few styles that you could wear with this wig. Once again, this wig is from Neatandsleek. That's her name on Instagram as well. Bomb wigs. They took their time, Lord. Yes, they did. When they made these wigs, she sure did. The color is beautiful. Make sure you guys check out the description details down below so you can purchase the wig. It is a ombre from 1B to 4 to blonde. I absolutely loved it. Super realistic. Just literally take off and put on. Most convenient wig ever. So stay tuned for the finishing results and the different styles that I do. See you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe.